Welcome back to our channel. Last one already. Okay, question 40. Okay, you talk about 1H NMR spectrum about the hydrogen ion. So you need to draw the structure of propane. Oh, okay. First of all, what is propane? 氣動啊. And ketone is RCOO, right? So propane, it means two C, 3C. Okay, so both sides has one C. So you can draw out the structure. Okay, just CCC, propane. Okay, H. You draw it out. Really, you need to draw it out, and then you graphical. Your brain will tell you the answer. Okay, first of all, what is the number of six law? Number of six law is a number of kinds of hydrogen environment. So you look at all the six hydrogen, symmetric, right? They have the same situation. All are bond to C and C is bond to C and O. So just one signal, one hydrogen environment. And splitting of the signal is the interaction, okay, between neighboring carbons hydrogen and the interaction between them. If there is one interaction, then double and two and then triple and then three and then quartet. Okay, look at here. The two carbon, nearby carbon, hydrogen is here. Oh, no hydrogen at the neighboring carbon, so low interaction between them, so singlet. Look at the other one also, right? This one. Beside it, the carbon just beside neighboring to it. No hydrogen, no. Remember? So no. So it's singlet. So the rule is this kind of splitting, number of splitting is number of hydrogen in the neighboring carbons plus one. In a situation n is 0. So 0 plus 1 is just a singlet, one peak. So the answer is A. Well done to us, okay. Let's celebrate. I'm very relaxing. Okay, we finished chemistry HL. Okay, paper 1. Well done. Good job, guys. Okay, see you for other papers. Okay, bye.